Have your CNC aluminum case encountered the problems with uneven dyeing and the color deviations during the anodizing, resulting in scraping? Hello everyone, I'm Mia from VMT. During the anodizing process of CNC aluminum case, there will always exist the problem like inconsistent appearance, gloss, color, and surface dents between the previous and the current batches. As the CNC machining factories for aluminum case, how we can avoid this problem? Shenzhen VMT believes that needs to achieve these 3 points as following. First, we have to ensure that the consistency when choosing the material of CNC aluminum case. Second, CNC machining parts should be thoroughly cleaned before the dyeing and neutralized with ammonium or the alkaline solutions as much as possible. It is best to use a surface conditioner to remove residuals excess to achieve a preventive effect. 3. For the thickness of anodized film, use HT470 retarder to control the dyeing speed and the color depth of the parts to achieve the purpose of controlling color difference. When exists color difference after the anodizing the CNC machining parts, we only need to pay attention to the above 3 points. The problems of color difference can be solved, so the yield rate of your parts can reach 98%. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message here. Thanks.